Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about my Mangalore vlog. It's not exactly a vlog, but I'll be showing you what all I did when I went to Mangalore. It was a very small trip, just a 4-day trip. So here's how it goes. I hope you enjoyed. Please do subscribe, like and share this video if you found it informational. So here we go. So the first day I just reached Mangalore, I went to Pabbas Icecream. It's the most famous ice cream shop in Mangalore. You have to go here. And I had these things. I'll have all of the names of the items that I had. Here's my half-eaten ice cream. It's my favorite. Those cutlets were really amazing. Those are aloo cutlets, potato cutlets. And this is the honeycomb ice cream. These are the veg cutlets. This is Tiramisu. It's like an ice cream cake. And this is basically a normal Sunday ice cream. It's a very nice place and very affordable. You must go there. Hi. So the second day I met my college friend from Bombay who came there as well to meet her family. And we went to city center mall and we ate, obviously, and we went to do bowling. This is the only shot that I got right, so I posted it here. Then we went to this restaurant where we had amazing food. The name of this restaurant is HaoHao. So we had chicken satay, and this is called the Shinmin Rice. You have to have that. Every time I come to Mangalore, I have that dish. It's so amazing. Then we went to this Crave. It's a dessert shop. I usually go there to have New York cheesecake. Mangalore is my native place, so I come here most of the time, every year or probably once in 2 years. So yeah. So the third day we went to Kadri temple. Mangalore is a city filled with many temples in every nook and corner of the city. So you have to make sure that you go to at least 2 or 3 of them. This is one of them that I went to. And this is the Kadri park. It was not the best park I've been to, but it was a nice experience. The next day wasn't really a great day. I did not have anything to do. I was really tired. So we just went around exploring the city, going for a nice walk in the evening. The 5th day was my favorite day because we went to the beach. I love going to beaches. This is the Tannirbhavi beach that I went to, and it was so good. I had a lot of fun. It wasn't crowded, nothing. It was really nice. It was really peaceful and very calm. I would definitely recommend you to go here. And also, when you go to Tannirbhavi beach, it's a little on the outskirts of Mangalore, so I'd recommend you to take a cab, book a cab of your own and go there, because there are Ola services available, but only to go to the beach. For coming back from there, you might not get any Ola services. So I recommend you to book your own cab and go there. This is Shree Gokanatheshwara temple. It's a very pretty temple in Mangalore, and you have to go to this temple in the evening. It is filled with lights, and it'll be really beautiful. So you have to go there in the evening. Morning also it was really good. It's a really big temple, so it'll take some time to worship. So that was it with my Mangalore trip. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.